First of all, I'm gonna create the main parent component container, then give some padding and margin to 0 for every element. Then I'm gonna give the background image to the container and add card element inside the container and image. Image is covering the whole screen, so I'm gonna give the height and also give the height and width of screen to the container. And display flex, justify content center, align item center to give the item to the center. That is the one way to give a div in the center. Let's create another div with card details and style it. Before that, we're gonna style the card element first. I'm gonna give the background image and some border radius and some padding. Let's create a random text of product detail, but it is increasing the width, so I'm gonna give width to the card same width of the image plus adding 20 pixel padding. Next thing we need is the price detail, so create the price and also the add to the cart button, then style them. Reduce the font size of the product details, which is not that required, and also add the padding and the card details. Increase the font size of the product title and also increase the font size in pricing. Add some margin button or top to create some spaces between elements, and increase the font weight of the price to look better. And the final part is the button, which should be width 100% and text align should be center, which is already is. Then add blue background and border radius to some pixel and increase the font size, and also make the color to white and add some over effect, and that's it, your final project is ready.